Alright, this is a video. We're going to cold start the 7410. The primary purpose of this video is to show what good maintenance and quality engineering will do. This is a 1999 John Deere 7410. We're going to move it today because it needs to have a tire blown up. The tractor has a little over 18,000 hours on it. And just to prove, okay, the block, we're getting 4 degrees, 7 degrees, 10 degrees. You can see there's snow on the block. We have not attempted to start it. In fact, I can't guarantee it's going to start, but we're going to give her a shot. The engine has not been overhauled. You can see we changed oil at 18,190 hours last year. Another fun fact, this tractor has the original batteries in it. You see the old John Deere logo? Starting in 2000, the John Deere logo changed to the new logo. It's a 1999 tractor, has the old logo batteries. Now, let me prop this up here, and we're going to see if using nothing more than the preheating element, the tractor will start. I apologize, we can't get the video any closer here. There you have it. 18,000 hours, original injectors, original engine. She's never been opened up for any reason at all. This tractor's had oil changes every 150 hours since it was brand new. That's a quality John Deere product. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.